So the farmers' march to Delhi has met with a lot of resistance from the Haryana police. While on their way to Delhi, there have been instances where they have clashed with the police. Tear gassing has been done. What do you have to say on that?
Look, we've got a constitution in this country, or don't we have one? If we have one, then that constitution clearly states you have freedom of speech, freedom of thought, freedom of action. And what the farmers here were agitating against the bills that they have brought. Now, you can't stop a person going to your capital city where parliament is and expressing their views. Why are you stopping them? Anytime you want, and there's an agitation, people have been allowed to go there and had it. Don't you remember the BJP agitation, which was a massive RSS one organized in Ramlila Madans? I remember that day when it was happening in Delhi. Why don't you allow the farmers go and to give their views and say कि हम बिल्कुल इसके खिलाफ हैं या खिलाफ नहीं है, जो भी उन्होंने देना है वहाँ करे, पर उनको रोकना is going against the constitutional spirit and the spirit of freedom of speech of this country. This I do not agree with. I think the Haryana government should have just allowed them to go, and Delhi government should give them space to go and sit down and make their point of view, and then they'll come away. But if you try to stop them, then every reaction has a counter reaction, and if there are youngsters by the thousands in these.
So the farmers are saying that they are prepared for a long drawn battle with the centre. What do you think a solution could be? What advice do you have for the centre?
I think they have to look at this issue of MSP. They say yes, MSP is going to go, all right, to convince the farmer, then put it through in your Food Security Act or something like that. You can amend that act. If you don't want to make the bills, amend the bills that you've made, then you can bring them into the Food Security Act and say that the MSP is there for good. That will be some soothing effect. But the other, the APMC Act, you say is not going to change, fine, that is going to remain there. Put it again in some legal form, some constitutional form. And then also the other grouses that they have, make them sit with you. Now, you called a meeting on the 3rd. I hope the farmer community, the leaders will go and meet. I'm very keen that they go. Because these things are not, by confronting the police are not resolved. You have to sit across the table and you've got to come to an understanding with the leadership. And if the leadership has called you on the farmer unions, I've already sent a message to them that they must go on the 3rd and go and sit there. But they will, if you have these sort of provocation when the police is firing tear gas and all, then they must start having second thoughts. So what has happened has happened. Now I think for the future, up till tomorrow, day after, whenever it is there, they should allow them to go and sit down. And as it is, they've broken through all the barriers.